Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless, and as always, thank you for stopping by, watching my videos, check them out. If you like them, or if you can, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. So if you have any questions, comments, want to see anything new, put them down below in the link. So as always, let's jump right into it. Today we're looking at a 3-minute 5-day market profile chart. These are the settings. Okay, we're using actually this time a TPO profile. Here are all the settings that I have. Okay, what's showing, what's not, and then also what I'll do is I'll leave a link down below in the video or in the description for the Thinkorswim users, so you can have the same exact chart. Also, I have just a regular VWAP. Okay, this is kind of like my other chart right here, this little market profile chart down here. Today only 3 minute. This is just more of showing you multiple days of the same chart, but I also have the value area high and low, the point of control, and then the VWAP. The really cool thing about this chart that works really well is the high volume and low volume nodes. You'll be amazed of how as price starts to fall, we kind of use prior high volume and low volume support levels to bounce off of. Here's a really good example. If we zoom in here, so right here, we actually had a low volume node here, right, with the high volume node. Well, if you look at what price did, and let me just draw a price level right here, right? So we open, right? We gap and kind of trade down here. We still haven't touched these levels. We gap up, okay? And what happens is even this high volume node right here is we could see as we zoom into what price did, came down and bounced right off the high volume node, then came down to the low volume and bounced, and then found the high volume node as a resistance level. So this is actually a really good chart to also day trade on. Different setup compared to other charts. Again, the reason I'm doing all these videos is so you can pick and choose what works best for your type of style, which chart resonates with you. Remember, there is no one size fits all. It's kind of figuring out what works best with you and for your own type of trading, right? So I kind of made all these charts. I've had them. I'm now sharing them to everybody so you guys could just, they're already done. You'll be amazed how well these work, right? Look at this right here, high volume node, right? High also came right here. So it's really easy to see where support or resistance potentially could be on the very first touch and things like that. So as always, I will leave the link down below for Thinkorswim users. Comment, like if you have any questions, and until the next video, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.